Hi guys, and welcome to another video. In this video I'll share one experience with you that happened just this afternoon. I was watching this cartoon called Oswald with my brother. We used to watch Oswald in the tiny TV during our childhood a lot. We used to watch this Bob the Builder, Oswald, and there were some other cartoons as well, so I used to enjoy them a lot. So I thought that okay, fine, and Mr. Bean as well. So I was watching this Oswald with my brother, and what happens is that Oswald gets into this situation where he gets invited by his friend called Henry and his friend called Daisy to an event. So both of them are expecting Oswald at their places, but Oswald says yes to both of them, but he's not able to attend both of the events. First he's going to Henry's, then he's saying that okay fine, I'll just come back, and he goes to Daisy, then he again goes to Henry, and this is kind of a very complicated situation in which he's getting stuck between these two friends, and he's not able to make a decision to where should I go, and both of them are calling him. And so while watching that, I get really anxious about this whole situation. I started to worry about Oswald, that what the hell is going on and how is he going to manage all this, and one of his friends may get angry or upset. So this whole situation was getting way too much for me, and I was getting way too much worked up by this cartoon. I actually started to get little worried about Oswald, and it was a really stressful experience for me. Later on, when I thought about it, I think that earlier when I was a child, I used to enjoy Oswald a lot. I used to get thrilled and excited over these situations for which I was getting anxious and worried right now. So I could feel the change, that when I was a kid, all these cartoons were making so much, getting me excited and getting me thrilled, but right now when I'm watching those same videos, I'm getting way too worked up and stressed. And with this realization, I got to thinking, and I thought that this stress and anxiety was not there when I was a child, but it is right now inside me, and the show is still the same, but I'm getting worked up and I'm getting stressed because this stress is inside me. Because as you can see, these cartoons are not supposed to make you stressed and make you feel worried about them. They're just so casual and so funny and so cute, but still I was getting the stress from them. So I realized that maybe this stress is inside me, and I have to really deal with this and have to improve myself. So this is what I wanted to share with you. Whatever that you're holding inside yourself, it is going to come out, and it does not matter that what kind of situation you're in. I'm really going to improve myself and get a little less stressed, and it really changed my perception about myself. I was thinking that maybe I'm a calmer person right now, and I have more peace inside me, but I really need to improve with this realization. And I think that it is a good thing that I realized it right now, and I can see that there's a long road ahead of me, a road towards more peace and less stress. So I think I will work on it, and I need to work on it to bring more peace in my life. So this is a little story that I wanted to share with you. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for listening to all of this. I'm really grateful, whoever you are that is watching this video. If you're watching till the end, then thank you so much. If you're not watching till the end, thank you so much for that as well. And I'm grateful that I'm able to make these videos, and I'm grateful that I'm having these experiences and these realizations in my life, so that I know that I have to improve myself. And so thank you so much for all of this, and much love to you and happiness to you.